Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. We are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but the only news is having a medium impact. So most likely I'm not anticipating the price to be quite volatile today. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This breaking of this high gave us a strong structure or the strong low over here. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below the strong low. This breaking of the strong low gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. Later, the price retraced back to this area where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the price a bullish push. So now let's move to the weeklies. So this is the weekly chart and the price is having an order flow. The price is respecting this order flow and moving into the downward direction, but currently we have swept the swing of the weeklies and the price is moving into the upside direction, and we are having accumulated liquidity over here. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction and mitigate this order flow over here. So now let's move to the dailies. So this is the daily chart, and this is the area where the price had disrespected the currently moving order flow and moved into the upside direction. So this is an important zone for me, and I will not be anticipating the price to move into the downward direction from here, since if the price invalidates this zone, most likely we are going to go into the downward direction. So I'll be finding my POIs within these zones. So now let's move to the 4 hours. So this is the 4-hour chart and we are having unmitigated FVGs, and we are also having this equal lows over here. The price swept these equal lows and currently moving into the upside direction. So most likely I'll be anticipating the price to react from either of these two FVGs and move into the upside direction. So now let's move to the 1 hour for the precise picture for today's bias. So this is the 1 hour chart and I can't see anything clearly into the 1 hour, so I'll be directly moving to 15 minutes. So this is the 15-minute chart and we are having our POI or the zone from where the price can actually react into the upside direction. Currently right here we are also having accumulated liquidities, so most likely I'll be anticipating the price to take the Asia low and then move into the upside direction. So for the current bias for today, I'll be anticipating the price to take the Asia low and move into the upside direction. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.